Yo, I'm gonna be making my game in here, so if you wanna do this, then you can. Yeah, time to go ahead and do this.
Items and put the catalog name here. If you followed my last tutorial, then you should already have this, or you might already just have a playfab with the catalog already. So then click into your catalog called items or whatever, and then in the last video we made this owner badge. Now we want to make a new item, and the item ID needs to be events.
Yeah, okay, so events will be another one. Let's go. New item. Events.
And do the same thing with display name.
Oh wait, I'm gonna put it exactly how I do in Unity. So I'm gonna just to be safe.
An item class and leave that.
So the same in item class.
How it is, and then click save item, and boom, there we go.
So if I'm correct, it's called vents. Yep. And then save item.
So now to give it to the player, go to players, click search, click on your player, and then go to inventory legacy, and then we already gave this one the owner badge, so then click select item here. Make sure it's selected your correct catalog, so then click select item and do vents and then grant item, and now it should all be working. So now
Alright.
Back in Unity right now, as you can see, the vent is enabled, but now if we click this, we start up the game, the whole vents game object is disabled here, as you can see, and works perfectly fine. So if you were a normal person, the cover to the vent would be visible, so you can't go in the vents, but if you're a moderator or owner or something, it'll disable. And yeah, and there we go. That's all that you gotta do. Yeah, guys, that's how you add mod.
Begging on your knees to be popular. Alright, now all the players.
The link in the description for playfab.com. Then on the top right here, you will want to click sign up and make an account, but I already have an account name, whatever you want it to be, so I'm just screen for some reason. And then for the name, doesn't, then it'll say to like update it. Just click on the button to update it, and then it'll say before making playfab API calls, the SDK must be configured to your playfab title, and then it says set my title underneath that on the left. So then just click on set my title. For studio, click on where it says override or whatever, and then click on, you know, the game, and then for title.
Alright, Unity. Go play time.
Title ID, make sure it's set to your game for request type, make sure that's set as Unity web request, and make sure this is not checked, the compress API data. Then you want to go back to your hierarchy on the top left here, right click, click on create empty, and call this playfab manager. And then you want to go to the link in the description. It'll be a Google Drive or something, and it'll have scripts in it. So first you want to put your scripts folder in Unity, and then go to that link. You first want to right click on the playfab manager script and click download, and then in Unity right click, go to import new assets, and double click on the playfab manager script that you just downloaded, and now it should be imported, and then just drag that onto the playfab manager game object in your hierarchy. Then you want to go back to the Google Drive folder and download the script called get ban reason and import it in here, just like we did before.
Oh wait, there's another one. Get ban reason. Let's just download that too. I've never had it, so. Get ban reason, let's put that in here too.
and then drag that onto the PlayFab manager, and it should be on here. And then
alright, get ban reason.
moderator event. Here on the bottom, click on assets here, go to the scenes folder that you should have, right click, go to create, and go down to where it says scene and import it in here, just like we did before, and then drag that onto the PlayFab manager, and it should be on here. And then here on the bottom, click on assets here, go to the scenes folder that you should have, right click, go to create, and go down to where it says scene and click on scene, and then
create a new scene.
it's really simple.
Oh my god.
And call this bands. Exactly. Spelled like this, same capitalization and everything, then click enter, then double click on this, make sure to save here, and now delete this main camera. Now pretty much if someone is banned, this is the scene that they will go to. So I'm just going to make a cube, and I'm gonna make this floor really big. You can do whatever you want, make sure to save here, and now delete this main.
Okay, that's what will happen if you're banned.
Simple.
Oh my
Camera. Now pretty much if someone is banned, this is the scene that they will go to. So I'm just going to make a cube and back. So once you're done, you know, doing whatever, you can put text that says like you're banned or whatever. Just go to file and go to save, go back to assets, go to the scenes folder and go to sample scene or whatever the name of your other. Much easier.
Oh my god, bro.
Other scene was. Okay guys, so now everything should be set so far. So just go up here and click on the play button here. Once again, please follow my Photon VR tutorial because that would be best for this to work. Now as you can see, we're in here and I can go back to scene. For me, it's not connecting right now, but that's just a fab tab. You can refresh the page here. Once again, for me, it's taking a while because my Wi-Fi is being very bad right now. Okay guys, so then once it reloads, you want to go to players here on the side of PlayFab. Here, or to search players, just click search on the side. And then here, there should be a player ID, and this is your player ID. For me, I don't actually think this is my player ID, but once again, that's just boosting my Wi-Fi. For you, it should be perfectly normal. Now, there's one more thing to do, but now, let me show you how to ban someone. So click on the player ID, and then click on this tab here that says bans, and then click on add ban on the top right. And for the ban reason,
Alright, let's see. Item ID, events. So now if I press play on here, Maybe it's not fully done yet.
Type in whatever. I'm just gonna do test and duration hours. It doesn't matter. I'm just gonna put 1 for now and click add band. And now they're banned. And now if we load in here, once again, I don't think it's gonna work for me because of my Wi-Fi. Yeah, for me, it's not gonna work right now because of my Wi-Fi. But for you, it should work. And if you're banned, it will put you into the ban scene. And then to remove a ban, go back to PlayFab, go to the player ID, go to bans here, and here, click on the ban, click this box here, it'll make it blue, and then click revoke, and then revoke bans, and then once this loads, they will be unbanned. See, as you can see, status is set as inactive now. Now there's one more thing. Now, see, you can see their player ID, but you have no idea who they are in game.
I saved hundreds with Liberty.
Oh well, this is what I have so far.